Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to move the dt75 to a construction site. It's a bit of the road that's pretty muddy and we're going to fill it up with some gravel. So come on, let's see how this goes. First part was no problem, but now we're time to hit the mud hole, and yeah, I don't want to get stuck in this because I got some brand new shoes on. So let's pray everything will go alright. Or maybe leave a like. Yes, I think that will work better. Leave a like. That sounds like a good idea. You should do it now. The road is your bumpy here. Yes, hold on, now we're hitting the mud. So now I just need to back this up and we can unload the dt75 on this hill, I hope. Well, let's see how it turns out. Everything worked perfect, but what's to expect when me, Boris, doing all the work? Now it's time to head out and get some gravel for this road here, so we can fix up this muddy part. Thank you all for watching. The rest you will see some other time, but not today. And I'm a bit sorry for the quality of this video maybe, because I have a new phone that I'm doing all the editing on, and you cannot save it in 4K anymore on this phone, and also I have lost the green screen that I used before. So I hope you can forgive me, and hopefully it will come an update also for this phone, so I can use all the things again. And until we see each other again, I say goodbye.